Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up REST API with Express and JWT auth, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by setting up a new Node.js project. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Navigate to that directory. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init. This will create a package.json file with default values. Next, install Express and other necessary packages. Run npm install express John webtoken .env body parser. This command installs Express, JWT for authentication, .env for environment variables, and body parser to handle incoming request. Create a new file named server.js in the root of your project. In server.js, require the necessary modules. Start by requiring Express and the other installed packages. Next, set up an instance of the Express application. Define a port for your server to listen on, typically 3000. Create a middleware to parse incoming JSON requests. Use app.use, bodyparser.json for this purpose. Now, let's configure environment variables. Create a new file named .env in your project root. Add a secret key to the .env file for JWT signing. This could look like secret_key equals your _secret_key_ here. Load the environment variables in your server.js file using .env. Add require .env.config at the top. Now it's time to create your authentication routes. Set up a route for user registration. This route should accept post requests and create a new user. For simplicity, just store user data in memory for now. Next, implement a route for user login. Authenticate users by verifying their credentials. If authentication is successful, generate a JWT token. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.